Hey everyone, welcome back to Mellow Bites, and today we are unboxing something super practical and stylish for your home. So everybody have a lot of shoe collections, right? From school shoes to tennis shoes to casual slippers to party wears. We definitely look for something to organize perfectly, and here we are going to unpack this About Space 60 sneaker box shoe rack. It's foldable, collapsible rack. Let's just start unwrapping it. We ordered this shoe rack via Amazon and the link is in the description box. This box is really heavy. So here we go. As we cut open it, we could find a huge white colored plastic shoe rack wrapped in a plastic wrap. This looked like a stack of notebooks, but it's really heavy. And just to make sure that this does not get damaged, they have placed just 2 thermocol boxes so that it comes safe while delivering. Let's throw off this package, remove the wrap and start arranging this shoe rack. Since it's a foldable tray, it looks so simple, beautifully folded, and I'm just trying to take it off like that. Oh no, I find it really difficult to remove it, so let's take it off from the table, put on the floor and then try lifting it up. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's not too heavy, of course, but it's a little bit heavy. But I'm not able to hold it, it's just collapsing, so I'm not sure how to trickily do this. Let's comfortably sit and start doing this. So this time I'm starting to take just one rack off it. Now I got an idea of how to fix it. So first take off the back side of this and fix onto the front and remove this transparent glass holder and close it. No, you should not do this first, I guess. Yeah, first let's fix up the back side of the rack. Then later we'll shut down this transparent glass door. Now it's getting easier. So take one by one, not everything at a time. Once you take one folder up, just fix the back side and then make sure it gets a tight snap with the lower part. You can hear a clutch sound when it gets fixed, and then that's it. And the same way, even you have to fix the sides too to ensure it's locked. It seems like a simple process, but you can't do it easily. You have to do one at a time with little patience. I'm finding it difficult to fix this last rack because the upper part is so heavy already fixed and it's just dancing and shaking. I think I have to stand now and fix it. Let me do that by standing. I definitely need someone's help to hold on from the back side. Now everything is fixed. I'm sitting and this is standing taller than me. Now let's stand up and see how it is. Before that, let's close all the doors. It's very easy. Look at it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's all done. Now when I stand, I'm looking taller than this. And it looks so cute, so beautiful. Let's turn to all the sides and see. 2 sides of the rack is closed and one side is having the aeration so that there's no foul smell. So one part, the back part is aerated, the other sides are completely closed. I got an idea. Let me go take a beautiful piece of indoor plant and put it back on it just for decoration. I know this sounds silly, but when you arrange something at your home, it should look so beautiful. Here we go. So even when you open the doors, look at it. It is not so much shaking, and look at the depth of it. You can definitely arrange a big sneakers into it. And here we go. Our shoe rack is practically under use. I'm going to just put one big sneaker shoe into it and show how comfortable it is. That's it. It's gliding smoothly, and overall this shoe rack is definitely space saving and sturdy. It's just worth it. Hope you love this unboxing video. Meet you in another video. Until then, bye.